over 137.4 million coins of Terra Classic has been destroyed within the past 16 hours, okay? Which means there is an increase on the daily burning of Terra Classic by 28% on a daily basis. And I'm happy to see there's an increase based on 28%, but I still hope if this coin, if the burning rate can increase to 250 to 300 million coins on a daily basis, then Terra Classic might be burning over 3 billion coins, okay, on a monthly basis or even more. But I think they actually burn more coins within the past few hours than they burned before. And you know, this is just almost today is Wednesday, and I believe before the end of the week, there's a probability that Luna can burn over 1 billion coins. Okay, now some people still called me, they asked me, should they keep on investing or buy more Terra Classic coin? Because right now, if you decide to buy or invest $50 or $100 on Terra Classic, it means you might end up having a lot of coins. And in case these coins move ahead to delete 1 or 2 zeros, you might end up making over $1,000 or $10,000, which is huge profit. Okay, and I believe anyone with such plan, and if it works, definitely you will be earning a lot of profit. But the truth is, Terra Classic right now is not yet that type of coin one need to invest huge amount of money. Terra Classic is not that type of coin that is guaranteed that you will be making huge profit. Okay, yes, it is true that a little investment on Terra Classic can give you millions of Terra Classic coins, but it doesn't mean that you might end up making huge profit, because Terra Classic, you see, might still end up keep on dropping as it has been doing for the past months, except if something good happened for Terra Classic. But one benefit about Terra Classic is that Binance founder, Binance, the biggest crypto exchange in the world, yes, CZ loves Terra Classic, and he has been supporting Terra Classic using his platform Binance. Okay, and he has been burning coins, burning huge amount of Terra Classic coins. So with someone like CZ backing the coin, a lot of us here have faith, a lot of us believe that this coin can rise, this coin can push forward, this coin can revive back, this coin can stay bounce back and start doing well. And if that happens, that is going to be huge profit for those that must have invested on Terra Classic elements. Well, let's watch and see what the future holds, at least between now and the ending of the year. Let's see what Terra Classic might be doing for the end of the year. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.